It is a windy yet beautiful mid-October day here in Wisconsin. So I thought I'd go ahead and take a minute to go over some of the things that we did in 2021 to the car. There were a few things. And, you kind of forget about them. It's like, no, we didn't do much to the car this year. We actually did. A couple things. The first thing we did were the door hinges. We finished those. That was quite a job. That was probably about a 3-month process because I had to wait for sandblasting. I had to find the right casting because I had a cracked casting for the driver's door hinge, which was actually on the car. I rebuilt a set of spare hinges that we had laying around from a long time ago initially. But then one of the castings was cracked. It's very difficult to weld cast iron pieces. I know some people can do it, but even if you can, you risk stuff cracking again sometime. So we used the door hinges off the car. We took them off the car, had no doors on the car for probably a couple of weeks, rebuilt those hinges. While we were at it, we had to fix the rust hole in the door. Thought it wasn't that big of a deal, but it went all the way through. So we also had to repair the back of that corner on the door. Luckily, we had some spare doors laying around so we could use the steel out of the door. That was kind of cool. So it's all 65 Mustang stuff in there, even if it is some, patchwork. We also added the rally pack, which was something that I've been wanting to do for a really long time. It really helps to know what RPM you're at. It is an original style. I got it off of eBay. It is running in series with the ignition, so if I lose the transformer on the rally pack, I also lose ignition. It could probably be wired up different. I just don't have it wired up different. But for now, it works just fine. I bought some chrome pieces a few weeks ago, hoping that I had a good bumper. And when I got them home, I realized I did not have a good bumper at all. It was kind of jacked up. But one of the pieces in there was this stainless trim piece that went on the hood. It's for 65 GT cars only, and I think 66 cars had it. But I think it completes the grille. Kind of stuck it on there to see what I thought, and I really did like it. So went with it. Also added a carb spacer so we could put that 65 California emissions air cleaner on the car finally. I was really happy to be able to do that because I really wanted it to look stock under the hood, and that, I don't know, chrome Edelbrock air cleaner just wasn't doing it for me, I guess. Next up, we've got disc brakes coming up. I've got them ordered. They're in the trunk of the car right now, and as soon as I can get a brake guy out, we'll put them on. And it might be a wintertime project, it might be a springtime project, but I mean, you never know. It could also very well be a project we do in November. It just depends. So we might not be done with the car for the year, but this is what we've gotten done so far. And of course, a lot of driving. Driving was fun. We were able to go out and just cruise. I took it into the city, went on the freeway for the first time, enjoyed some cool cruise nights I'd never been to, like the one in Waukesha. Went there several times, real friendly group of people on a Wednesday. Did Gus's a few times. And now my son-in-law has the 66 T-Bird, so we can cruise Fords together. So anyway, yeah, that's kind of what we got up to this year on the car. I'm sure I missed something, but it's been fun. And hopefully it's not over yet. Hopefully we have some really nice days in November. The wind's picking up. I better turn this off. Thanks so much for watching. That's a 2021 review on what we did to the car, everything I can kind of think of off the top of my head. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.